Good morning, dear students. How are you all? You enjoy your vacation lots, right? So now we are going for the next chapters. So, and I'm expecting that with the enjoyment of the vacation, you also do the quick revision or the little bit revision for the chapter. If you are not doing the revision of the chapter, please revise the chapter what you learned in the previous years, in the previous month. So that's why you can understood that numbers, how we can identify the numbers. Secondly, it's a little bit revision, no need to write down or do any practice of that. Just watch your book and do the revision. Now we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 2. So your chapter number 2 is enjoy with numbers. So you have to learn the which are the 3-digit numbers, which is the largest 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number. Now we have to do the some of the operations with that numbers. So first of all, I request to every students, please open your textbook. Open the page number 25, sit with your pencil and the eraser, and we have to going to solve the kickstart activity. Okay, so what is the question? Help Mr. Bunny to find his way the carrot by counting the forward. So this is Mr. Bunny and these are the carrots. You have to start here and here, but what should you have to do? You have to go to the carrot by counting forward. मतलब आपको फॉरवर्ड में काउंट करके आगे जाना है और आपको कैरेट्स तक पहुंचना है. तो पहला हम नंबर देखेंगे, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही हम फॉरवर्ड काउंट करेंगे. फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग का मतलब क्या होगा कि नेक्स्ट नंबर आपको लेना है यहाँ पे. सो फर्स्ट इज 751. सो स्टार्ट 751. उसके बाद आएगा 752, दैट इज द नेक्स्ट. देन उसके बाद आएगा 753, बट यहाँ पे तो 231 है. तो आपको नंबर फाइंड करना है कि नेक्स्ट नंबर कहाँ पे है. 51, 751, 752. So where is the 753? So whenever you are going to find, you found the number, right? So you have to draw a line like this. 753 is there. Now next 753 के बाद क्या आएगा? 754. You can see the down. 54. 54 के बाद क्या आएगा? 55. 755. That's it. Okay. Now next 755 के बाद 756. So found the 756. That's here. So you have to draw a line like this. 756 के बाद क्या आएगा? 757. That is the next. Then after the 757, 758 is there. Okay, 758 के बाद क्या आएगा? 759. 759 के बाद 760. 760 के बाद 761. After the 761, which is the next number? Yes, 762. Then 762 के बाद 763. After the 763, it's a 764. And 764 के बाद 765. So you reach to the carrots. So this is the way of bunny that he have to be go on this way to reach to the carrot. अगर bunny को जाना है carrot तक तो उसको ये way found करना पड़ेगा. So I request to every student, please complete the kickstart activity in your textbook with use of the pencil. Okay, so now we are forwarding to the next topic. You can see in the video I have three objects. First is the crayon, second is a one pen, and third is a marker. You all of you know about three objects: crayon, pen and marker. Now I want to ask you, which object is after a crayon? क्रेयन के बाद कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट आया है? मैंने यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है क्रेयन के बाद कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट है? यू विल बी आंसर द पेन. वेरी गुड, राइट आंसर. नाउ टेल मी, विच ऑब्जेक्ट इज देयर आफ्टर अ पेन? पेन के बाद कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट मैंने यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है? यू से इट्स अ मार्कर, राइट. नाउ टेल मी, which object is there before a marker? Before मतलब पहले, मतलब मार्कर से पहले, उसके एग्जैक्ट पहले मैंने कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हुआ है? दिस इज द मार्कर, दिस इज द पेन. मतलब मार्कर से पहले मैंने पेन को रखा हुआ है. ना, which object is putting आफ्टर बिफोर द पेन? पेन के पहले मैंने कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हुआ है? यू कैन सी हियर इट्स अ क्रेयॉन, राइट. सो आफ्टर, अगर मैं आपको पूछो कि बाद में मतलब आफ्टर कौन सा आएगा, तो आप इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हो कि हाँ, क्रेयॉन के बाद है पेन, पेन के बाद है मार्कर. नाउ टर्न फॉर द प्रीवियस. मार्कर से पहले कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट है? बिफोर अ मार्कर देयर इज अ पेन, बिफोर अ पेन देयर इज अ क्रेयॉन. नाउ टेल मी, बिटवीन द क्रेयॉन एंड द मार्कर विच ऑब्जेक्ट इज देयर? क्रेयॉन और मार्कर के बीच में कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट मैंने रखा हुआ है? सो यू विल बी आंसर इट्स अ पेन. सो क्रेयॉन और मार्कर के बीच, इट्स कॉल्ड द इन बिटवीन. In between the crayon and the marker there is a pen. So our next topic is before, after and in between. So our topic name is before, after and in between. In your textbook there is a one simple example is given to you using of the school buses. Let's say it. So here you can see that the school bus number 9, school bus number 10, school bus number 11 is there. Now I will ask, which school bus is there after school bus 9? school bus 9 के बाद में कौन सी बस है? So you will be say it's a school bus number 10. Whenever I ask which school bus is before the bus number 11, बस नंबर 11 से पहले कौन सी स्कूल बस है? So you will be answer it's a 10. Whenever I ask you which school bus is in between 9 and bus number 11, so it's a bus number 10. So whenever you identify between the objects, so you will be also identify between the numbers. So here is a one example is given to you: 456, 457, 458. So I will be asked which number will become before 457. मतलब 457 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा? So you will say it's a 456. So you can say before a 457, 456 will be there. Now if I am asking to you which number will becomes before 458, so it's of 457. आपको एक ही नंबर याद नहीं रखना, सारे नंबर्स के लिए याद रखना है कि उसके पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा, उसके बाद में कौन सा नंबर आएगा, like that. Now I will be asked which number will become after, मतलब बाद में, उसके बाद में कौन सा नंबर आएगा. Which number will become after a 457? So it is 458. which number will become after 456? So it's a 457. Now between 456 and 458, which number will be there? In between 456 and 458, which number will be there? मतलब 456 और 458 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? So you have to answer it's a 457. So let's see other examples for this. So let's see the example of the between, after and in between numbers. First is 326, 327, 328. We have to just tell here which number is between, which number is, sorry, it's not a between, it's a before. Which number is before the number, which number is the after number, and which number is in between. So first separate the number 326, 327, 328. Now so you can see the 327 is in between 326 and 328. मतलब जो 327 है वो 26 और 328 के बीच में है. So you write like this: in between 326 and 328. Now this is a number that is up before a 327. So you have to write it's a before 327. And then last one, 328, that is a after of 327. So here you have to write after 327. Let's see one more example. These examples you have to write down in your notebook. So 722, 723, 724. So write this number: 722, 723, 724. Whenever you are writing only this, don't remember only this. You have to also remember that the 327 comes after the 326. 327 is before a 328. Just speak only, write only these three things. So clearly you can see that 723 is between the 722 and 724. So you have to write in between 722 and 724. Okay, so first previous number 722 is before 723. So you have to write before 723. And 724 is after 723. So write like this: after 723. Now one more example that you have to do by yourself: 504, 505 and 506. This example you have to do yourself in your notebook. So here I am going to end. In the next video we will meet with the next topic. Bye everyone, have a good day.